Hey, what's up, guys? We got a couple keycap sets we're going to unbox today. I've already opened the box, taken the shipping label out and the packing slip. So let's take a look over here at the product page for these keycaps. And we've got the whale PBT keycaps here. They're out of stock. They were $64.99. They're a blue, kind of a bluish gray, a couple different blues. They are a double shot PBT cherry profile keycap set, an ANSI keycap set. If you're looking for ISO, you're not going to get the support with these keycap sets, unfortunately. Reasonably priced keycaps. This is the Octopus over here. It's purple, a little pink, white legends. Same with the whale. Same exact thing here. Same layout picture. You get your 6U, 7U, 6.25. You get the 1 1/4 and 1 1/2 unit controls and alts and Windows keys. You get a step caps lock. You're pretty much everything you're gonna need to fit just about everything, unless you've got something that needs some really strange proprietary stuff. So let's get into this box. So one thing I really like about these keycap sets is the boxes. I mean, the boxes are awesome. Like, the artwork they put into these are really nice. So here on the sides you've got Kinetic Labs PolyCaps. Here on the back you can see the whale's tail. Just nothing really on the corners here. The Octopus caps, PolyCaps, Kinetic Labs on the back, little fish, tentacles. Got a little coral seaweeds there on the sides. So I've already cut the tape on these so we can get these out pretty easily. Let's take a look at them here. Okay, let's go from the side that I actually cut. Let's see, do this upside down. All right, cool. So, whoa, pretty gray actually. A little more gray than I thought, but a lot of blue. I think it looks really good. I really like the blue on the enter key there. I wish they'd use that a little more than just on the enter and the escape keys. But let's take a little look here. Double shots. Seems to be smooth. A little bit of plastic there on the end, but nothing that's actually going to show once you put it in your board. The legends look really crisp. Don't see any real issues with the legends. You even got little volume buttons here, which I don't think I've ever used those on a board. Got more volume buttons here, so there's quite a few keycaps here. You should be able to get coverage with just about anything you've got. Let's take a look over here and see what the Octopus ones look like. You've even got one of these great keycap pullers that I know no one has ever used. I don't know, maybe somebody uses those, but I've never used them. Let's take a look here at the Octopus ones, which honestly, I'm not a huge fan of purple and pink, but these look really good to me in the pictures. So let's see how they look here IRL. Actually look pretty nice. Also the same crispness of the legendings. No problems with the legends there. We've got can I get a hold of one? So about the same. No real problems around the edges there. Now, let's see if there's any warping on these space bars here. Very minor amount of warping. Nothing that's I don't even think it's going to be noticeable to make it. Seems to sit pretty flat here on the desk mat. It's not bananaed up or anything. Nothing super crazy. These are PBT, so you know, a little warping on the space bars gonna happen. None of them appear to be very bad that I've checked here. Yeah, I don't see any serious problems with warping. I think all in all, these are well done keycap sets for the price, $65. Can't beat that. It's a lot cheaper than GMK. Let's see, nice little texture to it. Doesn't feel bad. I think these would be pretty enjoyable keycaps to type on. Don't have a whole lot more to say about these. I just wanted to kind of open them up and get a look at them and see what you guys think. Let me know down in the description which one you like better. Do you like the Octopus? Do you like the whale? I still think my favorite things about these are the boxes. I mean, the artwork is very nice. I mean, you know, aside from them being a box, I think the artwork is what I like more about the box, not necessarily the box itself. But hey, these are pretty cool. I think if they release the artwork as maybe some kind of little print or something, I think people might pick them up. But thanks for checking it out, guys. Hope you have a great rest of your day. See you soon.